Okay, so now let's get to doing some texturing. To assign a texture to a baked object, you can use the content browser. And working with it is quite simple. You can select the texture that you want, for example this one, and now you should have the material that you want to assign the texture to in the attribute editor. So you can just right click material attribute. While I'm having this material here, I can right click and choose the channel that I want to assign this texture to, for example color. And I can do a new material, so lighten up, and assign this one to this object. This. Now sometimes when you're using Arnold, it may happen that you bake the lights. Let's give it a try. Well, it didn't work here, but sometimes it may disable the textures and the scene looks like this after baking. In that case, you can just press this button, which is switching the textures on and off. You can also use this if you want to disable the textures and just take a look at the light map. And you can also use Content Browser to import new objects. For example, if you have a Quixel asset here, let's use this. Make sure the operation is set to import, and then you can just click on any of these FBX files to import them. This texturing assignment is not only for using with X-Ray. You can also use them if you just want to use Arnold Redshift or V-Ray. So I can disable X-Ray, and let's say if I want to use Arnold, I can just select this, and if your folder has a preview texture like this, you can just select on this preview and it will create a let's take a look at it. It will create a shader based on the selected render engine, and it will assign all of these textures automatically for you. Now if your object has a default naming, for example it ends with albedo or normal or roughness, displacement and things like that, you can just select on these textures and it will automatically connect them to the channel that it's supposed to go, and it will also set your color space and tangent space for you.